Okay, I have a dress that I want to try on. I do have a black bodysuit under, which is just basic. You have seen me wear it in my videos and my dance videos because I do get a lot of disrespect, hate, and stuff in the comments, and like, I should never have to be community guideline for dancing. Y'all, listen. You, mother, are the ones that overly sexualize things, okay? I can't hope that I'm sexy naturally, like by nature. But yous keep reporting, complaining, talking smack. I do have a lot of support, thank God. That's what keeps me, like up. So I continue to create, continue to post, continue to dance, continue to try dresses on, create content everybody loves. Like, I do have supporters, especially in real life. Duh. Like, I've always been popular. I don't know why you're like, oh, the internet gets to people's heads. She's changed. No. No. Like, I've always been lit and poppin'. Hello, where have you been? Right? But anyway, this is going to be one of my pieces that I'll be putting to good use. I bought it for like, I'm a Capricorn, so my birthstone is red. So therefore, I'm a red girly. My birthday is January 6th. I am 37 years old and I weigh 202 pounds. I'm 5'3" and 3/4. So Christmas, January, which is my birthday month, where I'll be wearing my birthstone, and obviously Valentine's Day. So that's why I picked this up. I look super sexy, super cute. Don't play. I know that's right.